Hello, this is Winkin, aka Winkini, and today we are opening 4 packs of Evolving Skies. See if I can get any first pack magic. Lightning Energy, Ribbon Badge, Fluffy, Bravari, Eevee, Cutiefly, Hitmonchan, Lotad, Sableye, Zwellius, and Appleton. Second pack. Hope we actually get a lucky pull in this one. Here's your second code card. Fire Energy, Pyroar, Vigoroth, Treasure Energy, Fletchling, Scraggy, Hippopotas, Timepole, Litleo, Eldegoss, and Zygarde Shiny.
Nice.
Umbreon pack. Another code card. Psychic Energy, Fletchling, Shopping Centre, Lantern, Gossifleur, Love Disc, Fletchling, Chinchou, Petilil, Hitmonchan, and Topius. Not very good pull so far, but hopefully let's get some last pack magic. Here's your code card. Final code card for the day. Pump Energy, Tentacruel, Palpitoad, Shopping Centre, Rinkin Roller, Psyduck, Swablu, Seedot, Woobat, Gossifleur, and Pinsir.
Oh, nice.
Non-holograph. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. See you in the next video. Bye.